shit.
Hey, what's up? This your boy Norris. I'm back with another Doing Shit episode, and today I'm gonna be fixing my stepson's basketball goal. Now, he probably don't want it fixed. I know he want a new one, so I'm gonna temporarily get it fixed as good as new until we get a new one. All right, so he's playing on it right now, but the issue that we having is it won't lock to a different setting. So it goes all the way up to 10 feet, but it won't stay because this right here came loose. Now, I'm gonna show you exactly what this looks like. So this piece right here screws into the actual pole, and this right here screws into that. And when I adjust it, there's a hole on each level that locks in and it won't move. But he got hops, he been dunking, you know what I'm saying? So it's been getting worn down. So I went to the store and I brought some new tools to get it back in working condition so he can continue balling until he gets his new one. All right, so let me show you all the tools I'm gonna be using. So I had to get a pack of these. So here they go right here. Got it from Home Depot. I got a new one of these, a little nut. And then I got a pole that's stringed, which is 3/8 of an inch. Now, this is what I'm gonna use to replace this, but they don't sell them this short. So I had to get one this long, and I had to buy a certain type of saw to cut this down. Now, this is a 24T carbon steel flexible saw. So that's basically what I'm gonna be using to cut into this. Now, once I do that, I'm gonna be putting this on top, and then I'm gonna be putting the new one of these on, and then we're gonna put it on the goal to see if it really works. So I'm gonna be cutting this down to be about the same length as this. So I'm just gonna measure it out, and I'm gonna use my screwdriver to elevate it. I'm gonna use my foot with Birkenstock to hold it down, and I'm just going to trim this down. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna have to find something else to hold this down because it's getting a little goofy. Now let's see if this works. It's probably hot. Look at that. Boom. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is try to redo the same exact thing. As you can see right here. Focus that. Boom. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, so as I was saying from the beginning, I have to redo this right here. So this basically gonna be the same, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the threads to this side, but I'm gonna try to mess the threads up on this side because this side right here is smooth. But they don't sell anything like this, so I had to recreate it. So I'm gonna take I'm gonna put that in, put the nut in like that. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm just gonna mess this side up a bit. Man, I almost messed my damn pliers up. Jeez. So you see, I'm just trying to mess up the thread so I can't screw the nut all the way through. So I messed up the thread on this side, so when I try to go through, it's gonna stop. See? It won't even allow me to keep going. Big brain.
Big
Yeah.
brain.
Actually, let me do a little bit more though. Yeah, let me use the new joint. So these are brand new. Boom, boom. Okay. Holding just like this. Now it's time to connect this to the backboard. Nope. To the pole, to the basketball pole, and we're gonna see what it do. All right, so I'm to the goal, and as you can see, I have to take this apart. So let me go ahead and do that. So I have to make sure I keep all these pieces. Don't be goofy. I have to fix something else. All right, so I move this out the way, and now I have to take this right here is where I'm gonna insert the new situation that I just made. So I'm about to screw that on. All right, spin it around right here. See the hole? Let's see if that hole fits. A little bit too big, huh?
I think a little bit.
Ooh. Oh. You can see it?
Yeah.
A little too big. So I'm gonna have to shave that down a little bit. Damn it. So, because this right here is a little bit too thick, and I don't really have the proper stuff to hold the saw, I'm just gonna take it and scratch it up against the concrete until it smooths out.
Alright, what's good, guys? He's over there doing his thing for y'all, the project. I'm gonna show a quick dunk.
So that didn't work 100%. So to get it a little bit better, I like take my what do I call this? Wrench?
Not a wrench, it's a
pliers. My pliers. I take my pliers and just scrape it across the sides. So what this does, it bends the thread and it makes it a little bit smoother to go into the hole. Okay, let's see if this works. Come on. Oh!
It's a success.
It's a success.
It's a success.
Oh! We good.
We good.
Smooth it up a little bit and we're gonna be good.
Alright guys, we just finished that last clip. Norris, I don't know if you're gonna put it in the video, but guys, watch this. I'm gonna throw myself a self at you. Oh, he's back.
We're back on deck. You remember this. Put that in there like this. Tighten this bad boy up. Oh. And now we just gotta set this back on here. Uh-oh. Like this. Okay. We go from 8 feet. 10 feet.
10 feet.
Let's do the dump and we can get busy.
This is 8 feet.
Boom. Alright, we about to see how good this thing is. You ready? What we doing? Still there. Still there. Still standing. Still strong. Ah. That's called a Flintstone dunk. You know why? Because he did it with bare feet. All right, thanks for watching another episode of Doing Shit. It's basically where I do stuff around the house to let my significant other know I still know how to do shit. You know why? Say it with me. Sometimes they be forgetting. All right, I'm your boy Norris, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.
Let's go.